Students, let's start our next poem, and the name of the poem is A Legend of the Northland. And this poem is written by Fob Carey. As the name suggests, a legend of the Northland. Legend means a story, and which we are listening from so many years. And what we are having in this story, let me tell you what is the basic theme behind this story or this poem. The basic theme which the poet or the poetess wants to convey through this poem is that we should not be selfish and always be ready to help the needy people. This is the main theme behind this poem. Otherwise, this is a very simple poem. This is a story of Northland. As you know that Northland is a very cold area, very cold region, and the nights are very much longer over here in winter. This is a story of a lady and Saint Peter. Once Saint Peter was preaching for the whole day, and he was on fasting, and he was doing preaching for the whole day, and at night he was feeling very hungry. He wanted to have a food and he was searching for food. He was roaming in the city, but due to cold or due to winter, everyone was sleeping. He saw a very small cottage, and a lady was doing some work over there. Actually, that lady was making cakes for her bakery. Saint Peter went over there. He told to that lady that he was hungry and he wanted to have some food. The lady said, okay, just wait over here and I'll bring something for you. She went inside. She make a cake in the hearth. Hearth, you know, मिट्टी की भट्टी जिसमें बेकरी वाले केक्स वगैरह पेस्ट्रीज वगैरह बनाते हैं, दैट इज हार्थ. मिट्टी की बहुत बड़ी भट्टी होती है. एंड शी जस्ट वेंट इनसाइड and start making a small cake. But what she found that the cake became very big. At that moment, greed came to in her heart that why should I give this big cake to this person for free? I should keep it in my cupboard or in my counter, and I can sell in the morning. So she tried to make another small cake, but again it became bigger. And outside the cottage, Saint Peter was waiting for the food. Third time, the lady, she just collected the scrap of flour and want to make a very thin cake. But again, this became very crispy and very tasty. Saint Peter was watching all these incidents. He became very angry and he cursed the lady. At the same time, the lady transformed into a woodpecker. Now here a question arises, why that saint transformed that lady into a woodpecker? Because he was thinking that as the lady, I have to wait for the food. I have to work very hard for the food. From the morning I am searching for food, but still I am not getting. That's why, woodpecker, what that woodpecker does? With the beak, he just hammer the logs, लकड़ी को बार बार ठोकता, and he just want to have the food from inside that dry wood. All the clothes of that lady except the scarlet letter were burnt as she went up the chimney and flew out of the top. And वो scarlet red color की cap, that is a sign of sin. And to make that lady different from other woodpecker, that whenever anyone saw that woodpecker with a scarlet cap, they must recognize, they must remember the tale, the story behind it, that the woodpecker with the scarlet cap, what the story behind it. And many people, they claim that they have seen the woodpecker in the forest where she lived by boring the dry wood in search of food. As the saint was searching for food, the lady in a form of woodpecker is searching for the food day and night. Thank you very much.